In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update content on a WordPress website. We'll use the site editor to refresh text, adjust layout, swap images, and publish your changes. From your WordPress dashboard, open the site editor and choose the home template so you're working on the front page. When the preview loads, click directly on the element you want to edit. Start with the main heading. Click it to reveal the floating toolbar and block settings. If the heading level isn't right, open the heading options and switch it. Changing a smaller heading 3 to a more prominent heading 1 for your page title is common. This ensures cleaner hierarchy and better accessibility. Next, adjust the layout width for that block or its parent group. Open the alignment options and choose wide width to give the content more breathing room across the page. With the text block still selected, use the alignment controls to set the text left or center, depending on your design. If you don't see the controls, make sure the correct block is selected, or open the right-hand settings panel. For more control, expand the block settings and open the advanced section. This panel lets you fine-tune how the block behaves. After you make adjustments, apply them so they take effect on the canvas. If you need a second matching section, open the block's options menu, the 3 dots on the toolbar, and choose Duplicate. This instantly creates a copy you can edit without rebuilding the layout. To update an image inside that section, select the image block, choose Replace, and then open Media Library. Pick the image you want, or upload a new one, and then select it to confirm. As a best practice, add meaningful alt text in the media details so the image is accessible and search-friendly. When you're happy with the edits, click Save in the top corner. WordPress will summarize what's changing. Confirm to save. Finally, click Launch to publish those updates to your live site. Give the page a quick refresh in a new tab to verify everything looks and reads the way you expect. If you want to double-check before going live, use Preview in a new tab to see the changes in context. And don't worry about mistakes. Use undo or revisions to roll back, and you can always fine-tune and save again. That's it. You opened the home template, refined headings